For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Fans are an integral part of the IPL, and without them, the game certainly looks incomplete. IPL behind closed doors and without spectators will be odd in all likelihood. The fans make the annual franchise tournament a global success every year. However, the upcoming edition of the IPL in UAE will be played without fans in the stadium. For players, it will be a whole new game to play without supporters in the ground, especially for a team like Royal Challengers Bangalore, who are accustomed to playing in a jam-packed Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bangalore. It will be a difficult task. RCB skipper Virat Kohli too feels that the absence of fans will be felt. However, he reiterated that intensity levels won't drop.
All of us have thought about it initially and it would be a strange feeling, and I won't deny that. But the feeling has changed little bit after the training sessions and practice games. At the end of the day, you just need to understand why you started playing the game. You started playing for the love of it. Crowds are main part of the game, but that is not what you play for. I can only say one thing, that our intensity levels will not drop, I can assure you. There is a larger reason why all this is happening.
RCB landed in the UAE on the 21st of August and have been training for more than 2 weeks. Another challenge for IPL teams this year will be to acclimatize in the bio bubble. Kohli also spoke about how his team has become acceptive of living in the IPL bio bubble.
To be honest, we have become more acceptive of the situation around us. Acceptance is the biggest change I have experienced since day one here. When we spoke of the bio bubble for the first time, we discussed about appreciating the things we have and the situation. All of us have become very relaxed in that environment. If we were not being acceptive, then we would be sad or upset about the surroundings. But there is no desperation of any sort.
Players have been getting used to the bio bubble in the UAE since their arrival. RCB wicketkeeper batsman Parthiv Patel said that players are now getting used to the changed scenario.
It has sunk in staying in bio bubble. We did not put saliva on the ball during practice games and are taking care of ourselves. It is very important to be safe. Honestly, it is my third year with the team. I have never seen this kind of environment before in my career. Everyone is smiling, and that is what is important.
Royal Challengers Bangalore have been searching for their elusive IPL title since the inception of the tournament in 2008. The Bangalore-based franchise came close to lifting the trophy on 3 occasions, but fumbled to cross the last hurdle. However, skipper Virat Kohli is optimistic about RCB's chances in this year's IPL in UAE.